The COVID-19 pandemic has been a hard ride. Even though we can get a bit stir-crazy, everyone following the rules and regulations should help conquer this. We'll not get into the facts about why it's important to socially distance, but we have tips to stay sane during these hard times, starting with our first tip. Meditation can help you self-regulate unhealthy emotions, foster acceptance, enhance immune system, help with inflammation. Evidence-based meditation and mindfulness approaches are likely to have a role during the pandemic for building resilience and improving mental health. Be mindful about your surroundings. Be mindful about your thoughts. Unplug and most importantly, breathe. Next on the list, make sleep a priority. According to some studies at the Mayo Clinic, you should aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. Studies have shown that people are more likely to get infected with other types of viruses like COVID if they're sleep deprived. If you're going to take a nap, stick to about 10-20 minutes. You don't want to get too much sleep because you don't want to affect your good sleep later on. Tip 3, exercise. Walking not only counts as a physical activity, but also provides some mental health benefits. Another exercise you can try is yoga. Feeling stiff from sitting at your work at home station? Not only does it count as a physical activity, but studies have shown that yoga can boost your mood, lower stress and anxiety, and boost your self-esteem. Getting the proper amount of nutrients your body needs in your diet can improve your mental health drastically. Eat right, boost your mood. Don't forget to fill up on your antioxidants. Now on to the funner things in life. Remember how I told you to unplug? Now I'm throwing that Uno reverse card. Stay connected. Reach out to friends, family as often as you can. Call, text, email, or video chat. Just because you're socially distancing doesn't mean that you can't connect. Just Zoom. Research has shown that social support can make you more resilient to stress. Next up, did you know that listening to music can help people face a scary and stressful experience? A study on cancer patients found that music reduces anxiety, pain, while bolstering people's moods. Singing has also been shown to improve people's mental health and sense of belonging. Not so much the others around you if you can't sing.
Walk 500 miles and I will walk 500 more.
Forget you saw that. Let's not forget arts and crafts. Studies have shown structured coloring or reasonably complex geometric patterns such as symmetrical mandala pattern and coloring books can lead to a meditative state that helps reduce anxiety. Consider breaking out your adult coloring books and drawing your own pattern. Reading can even relax your body by lowering your heart rate and easing tension in your muscles. Last tip of the day, and by far the best. Have a night out, set up activities you might have gone and done, grab a couple of drinks and enjoy. It's important to take some time away and focus on you. I know that sipping a margarita at barside and music blasting might sound fun. I think it's even better to set up something intimately at home and take time away from your daily routine. Might just do the trick. Have fun, stay safe.